Hello everyone, I would like to show you how I open up my 4runner to replace the fuel injector on the number 4 engine or cylinder, which is the middle on the driver's side. So I'm just taking a video of all the pipes and bolts where they're supposed to be, so that in case I need to refer back, I could. Actually, I did have to refer to it once, so it's handy to have it around. Next, I open up the bolts. I'll show you where the bolts are, and I use a wire to hang the top piece here onto the hood, so that I don't have to take the air pipes out. See that I have the hanger, the wire hanging that thing onto the top. So I am keeping the seals here. It is metal, so no need to replace. I'm keeping the bolts in a place where I can, in the order I can remember to put it back. That's a pipe to the brake cylinder. You can see that metal part there. I forgot how to put it back, so this video helped. So here's the fuel rail, the aluminum metal part there, the long piece. So I did not have to take out the whole thing. I just bend it up a little bit. It's bendable, so I pulled one end up until all the top of the injectors are exposed, and I just pull the injectors out. As you can see there, it has two pieces of seals. One's the round seal, so that's the bottom there, and then the top has two seals. One is the fuel rail seal, and the other one is just the regular grommet. So anyways, you would want to buy the fuel rail kit. The places what I went to, AutoZone and Shucks, O'Reilly did not have that in stock, so you might want to order it ahead of time. So those are the bolts I need to take out. There's another one there. So I take out those also. Just undo these nuts and you should be able to take it out. There's a bolt back here. Right there. That one there. I didn't have to take this piece out. So this is the part I got from Napa. It's cost 125 bucks, and then I got the seals. Be sure to order before you start. One thing I learned was that I had to wiggle the injectors back into the rail it was leaking, so I had to take it out and redo it. But wiggling works. Make sure that it wiggles and in place and squarely down on the injectors, and then screw it back in. Alright, have fun.